Blasi Automatic Doors, founded by Peter Blasi in 1972, is well known worldwide for custom-engineered door solutions. With over 130 employees, Blasi develops and manufactures unique door solutions for special architectural or security requirements from its factory in Malberg, Germany. With the newly engineered and developed passenger security door K21 PS, Blasi introduces a higher standard in the technology of secure revolving doors. Especially since the events of September 11, 2001, airports face an increased need to secure critical areas from incursion, disallowed persons, or banned objects. The new passenger security door from Blasi controls traffic exiting from the secure air side of the terminal to the non-secure land side with the most current sensor technology. Suspicious persons or objects are not allowed to pass through to the secure air side. The door detects objects with the size of a matchbox on the floor, on all vertical surfaces, and on the complete ceiling. Objects cannot be thrown in, stuck onto a surface, or dropped on the floor without being spotted. Once a person or object is detected, the door stops, reverses to a secure position, and sends an alarm to security systems. The capability provided by Blasi offers protection against terrorists, weapons, explosives, chemicals, and other objects which criminals may try to bring through the door. The new Blasi passenger security door is the state-of-the-art where passenger security is required. The rotating turnstile is equipped with multiple horizontal heel protection sensors in front of the lower door frame, along with infrared sensors from above to slow and even stop the door as needed to avoid possible injuries for passengers or damage to objects. The entrance area of the Blasi K21 PS is protected with several unique safety devices. Any signal from the electronic safety pressure switches, multiple vertical light barriers which cover the full height, and presence scanner devices will stop the door immediately. The new security door by Blasi works as an exit so that passengers can easily leave the secure air side to the non-secure land side. However, entrance from the non-secure land side to the secure side is prevented by security elements monitoring the blocked segment of the door. If a person enters the blocked segment, the door will reverse to a secure position, and a voice announcement will instruct the person to leave the door. The uniquely designed impact detection system by Blasi can recognize thrown objects having a weight of as little as 100 grams. The impact event will be stored in the security software, the door will move to a secure position, and send an alarm signal. This feature offers a higher degree of security than any other door system. Objects as small as a matchbox are detected on the floor area. The K21 PS door scans the complete floor with an array of multiple sensors, and when an object is detected, the door reverses to a secure position, signals an alarm, and a voice announcement requests passengers to leave the door immediately. The exterior surface of the curved rotating showcase is also scanned with multiple laser beams for any objects which might be stuck onto the glass or frame. The door will stop, send an alarm signal, and announce instructions for passengers to exit the door. The Blasi security door also detects objects stuck onto vertical glass surfaces and frames of the rotating centerpiece. When an object is present, the door stops, moves backwards to a secure position, sends an alarm, and announces "Stop! Danger! Please leave the door immediately. The complete rotating ceiling is also scanned by the Blasi door with multiple light beam sensors to detect objects which might be stuck on the surface of the ceiling. Again, objects as small as a matchbox will be identified. When an object is detected, the door stops, turns backwards, and sends an alarm. Additionally, also the vertical light barriers in front of the drum wall at the secured entrance area are used to detect objects which might be thrown into the door. The K21 PS is equipped with a fully digital program display for parameter settings and status control, with an emergency stop switch for general safety and a slow down push button for reduced speed. With these features, Blasi offers the highest degree of safety and user comfort. If you need more information about security doors or any other unique door systems, please do not hesitate to contact your local Blasi partner or visit our webpage at www.blasi.info.